United Nations by Sinimung Razangani Abongka 1994. 1994 Indigenous Day Recognition Rujaka as Halde Simino Bishop Brum one Indigenous Day Sendahai Muksak Borong the Bagi celebrate Kajagitomo. Poti Bishop Brum no theme Alada Kai Songzago. Abosung United Nations theme song Kangana theme no Zumbo Abobanasum Kainani Abba Hemokuno Kokuri. Sumbo chini bisi brum no sumbo chini team chini shishishan nayi chen klaimano hyper attack line is a team belake nakumani tai belake important or team ka nor jotor saima ka nor jotor suijak protecting the right of indigenous peoples in voluntary isolation and initiate contact. What does it means? Abotamo humani Tabusung Jotam Simano Chini Borok Sirishit in Simi Chin Borok Kaisiminasung Tongo Buini Bosom by Sung Tongia Sudusung Simia Gavama or Hasako Hayumo Sena Muksak indigenous Borok Abba Haken Tongo Buibachung Gadalzagia Sung Tini Buini Tofa by Kum Kolorobachung Ma tongan karon angka abo borok sung Jepru India by Manju sung India ngithaka a joran simen sung buini boroba sung tongan surungi thangka abun bagina chin ha kamaka chini hukmu mukma kamaka samu kamaka nini tima tisa tongmani bolong tongman jotton kama thamaka kanmuk sumu jotton kama baikya Abun bagana tabuk sawo je chin borok je isolation ke je tongnani musumani as self determination as a autonomy freedom self determination hono bono aba ke tongnani chin right chin a right no ke sagi nei manya abun bagino India by virtue Bobo Kaisia country Indigenous Declaration of Bobo Kaisia signatory Indigenous Declarations Bufuru Khazaka 1994 Sengahai Muksakno Sinumung Rezaka Abun Yagolo Chini Bagi Constitution Ai Article 46 Article Bob Slamzaka Abunga United Nations Declaration on the Right of Indigenous People. Abu Bufur Khajak 2007 of Klajago. 2007 is me or articles of Chinibagi Beleke Nakumani. Azagawo Gavama article Tomo are articles of different articles for Chin rights, Chin language, Chin culture, Chin socio-economic and political right. Self-determination no coxhow. Abun Bagana Sintabu Barar Hakotono, Hayumo Chin writers and Tinis Hanitomu, Chini self-determination, Chin autonomy Santomu. Agi self-determination is Hakagakai Abo Kaisha Dragon what Ahasin Zagu, government of India, the state government. Abba Hakeno Chini Okra indigenous platform of Hanatapuru. Borno arrest warrants Ruzago. E Abba Hakena Kababa Sinjala face Kai Pekya. Kendo Tabuk China struggle the Bisinti, particularly joint action 2011 Simi or Yapne Yasaka. Yasaki Obaka Molbrum Brum, Salbrum Brum, Bishop Brum Brum, Klai Paye, Tini Tirpa Hastevo, every corner of Tirpa Tini indigenous Palatumu. Tini City, Edisi government of Palayu. Even the state government bo palai phai tong tomu takala saime state government pada palai palaya apono sema bo indigenous deno ma palai kya abo kaise chini great achievement no sung chini je sinumung no sung proudly khai sung celebrate khaina nangu age chungno tam hun chungno tribal hune chungno hunu kento chung tribal ya what is the meaning of tribal tribal meaning engka uncivilized uncultured a borok se bolong bising tongnai sagori keri sum keri gotheng sana kosok sana kusum sana borong se hunjago kintu sung aba haya sung one of the most civilized society civilized people or sengsaro sung hai indigenous borok abon bagino sung hai muksa borono sanap soil hini hunjago tabuk phano near about 200 groups of indigenous people are living isolations in an isolated way bahake bo jaga boto neni Brazil tongku neni New Papua tongku neni Peru tongku neni Colombia tongku Belgium tongku abahake India tongu Indonesia tongu neni Peru tongu abahake 200 group till today they remain very isolated means without any interference from any other peoples who is not indigenous abun bagano sung younger generations not sinanangu sini sinumung tini worldwide sung uncivilized kini hunjaglia sung tini hunjaka jata we are the first civilized peoples on earth kini hunjago engkai abun bagani sung proud khai sung celebrate khai nangu tabuk jese ni demand jese sani tomarok sini land right sini economic power sini socio culture power abun ka beleke nakumon beleke important abun bagino sini culture jeng jeo khumtrang ri phaimani kamai thangma kya kintu the year that we started sini indigenous day observe khai celebrate khai ni adini civil sogobna haina haite se revive khai tichu so ni culture nang revive khai kyang ka che nang ni generation na strong khai nang united khai ti sai manai tini sin kanmung sumung worldwide sum nugu rasamung sum tini nugu abun baga je rasam lai rangno artist rangno sung salute ma khai tan bage ka kai they are the one who contribute to preserve your culture who contribute to preserve your language who contribute to preserve your society abun bagino amuka belaike nakumani abun bagino jara komni bisingo abun message hona mo sunna nijine kanmung nijine chamung nijine rusamung no tapokti obose nini identity obose nini sinumung o sinumung se nini land right bagino fight khai tango sinumung se no a hana no phirgo ronai o sinumung se nini bolang kamawan no bolang phirgo ronai o sinumung se nini kok kamai thangmani nini ok kok no phirgo ronai o sinumung se nini kanmung chumung kamai thangmani abose no phirgo ronai abose nini halung no tache kiplir ronai abun bagino chini dofaro khasina nangsen khasiui sem sob somai example maru nini Norway Sami people matro there are around only 80 to 90,000 in the world kintu borok tini they are the one of the most exemplary to the universe taun bangi hingga kai borok soba khaika ek sala borok ang Sami huni borok introduce khaimia hangkana borok no torture khaijago borok pathajago kintu tini borok 200 Sami borok phatara ko pai soba khaika soba khaimani bisingo tini borok ni right no borok mankha tini Norway mo bon separate parliament tongo sudu Sami borok no bade tai Sami borok tong borok Finland tongo Russia tongo Sweden tongo Ireland tongo borok jot no they are governed by the Sami parliament so abun bagino sung tipa sara tini sung soba khai tongo sini hana sung phirgo mana nangnai sini hukum mukum kamai thamana sung phirgo mana nangnai sini dima tisa bolong jotor sung phirgo mana nangnai ni kintu tabu turuk terkai sung manin tongo abna sung soba khai sung man sungna ni hikakai nang ang jotor thani no responsibility tongo sung jotor par khai ya prema senai ya paksa mangnai tabu kaisa ang sawon Netherlands ahai jagao kaisa bufang tongo bono hono red tree scientific bung tongo a bufang bini yareng bisi tolao thaya kisi sa se thangu near about 5-6 feet se thana kentu nobarwati phaipano bangpunir phaipano o bufang rok no huage talangmaya tamune bage borok bufang 100 ta judina kaisa khanga kai a 100 ta bufang kaisa ba kaisa jotor yarung join khai thangmayu abon bagino o bufang yarung tolao kuthuk kai thaya sakawono tongono kentu bor joton manjujak abon bagino bor belaiko strong abu phangno nobarwati bangpundri sabai mainya thik aba hakeno tipra sarok yapri kasia yak thangsakai tongakai tini chini chinmungni bagai sing diman khaina nagla kumuk chini kanun bagai chini kokni bagai sing tini choba khaina nagla kumuk tini sing porikha suinani chini kok ba sing ma sia sing porinani chini kok ba sing ma poria sing boja thang soikya abun bagino these celebrations is not just simply for enjoyment. This celebration is reminding younger generations to recall that once upon a time you are a person, you are a community, you are a society who belongs to a kingdom and who rules of your own society, of your own community, but you were never ruled by any others. Abo ab freedom as abo nono revive khai muitu khai norok soba khai di tabu khani sabase. This message is passing from here to you and you will pass to the others. Aba hakesesen like knowledge is like a torch that passes hand to hand huma hai. Chini culture, chini chinmung, chini soba tini jeng oron hoite hamsang muslimin no thani yafarka nor baba hakeno kaisana yafare joto haste gnangai chin tiprasaro kok jotono khanawi thangsangei o chini sobano jeng thanchakai choba ma khainai o chobano jeng matlangnai carry out ma khainai till we succeed jeng maya sang jeng choba khaima thanai langma sa kamai thangtu tobo phano jeng soba khai thanai aba hai khai joton par khai samai tangi ma thana haisi abon bagino nini ani culture nini ani tomung samuno takhibidi abon bagai norok hamia tomung bai hamia samung bai hamia numung bai hamia tomung bai nor tagdalte that is the evil abon no frustration khainai no ruin khainai no destroy khainai nini sinmung no sak sinna mujuga khlakinai e a borok se a weak borok se aba hai jaga thangu a weak no se strong ma khaine strong khaino chini yapri jeng bukha buskanga gugoi bokrok sagati chawai jeng ma gungnai haikese chini sobana jeng success khaimanai tini bubagara sai tongu chini sinumung bubagara tapana tongkhu jengno kebo tola khiklai manglak a bubagara no tini jeng mas hate kalayo bubagara tini Bangladesh ni shishu nai tini bo bini social media through to bini media print media through to electronic media through to bo strong message hoito o strong message hoito puro sum jota palu student rock chrai rock younger generation no youth rock buri rock jota pal khai chen khorok ti chawoi sum o kok no sum tebo ma pin na hai chen chirin ka ta tong ni nang bufru kirijak nang jepru sia jepru nang saimanya apru chen weak ngo kentu nang jepru siwo jepru nang saimano nona IAS officer jese minister panang tu nona kebo tolawo khiklai ton mangla abonor believe da khai puito da sabuno e abon bageno jotono life bono ma sitai jotono nijer culture no ma sitai aba hekese jeng baskang ma gungnai don't ever look back look forward bujiga asuk saina gan kok no paire chene karon ang thana nago tini joint action committee no bele bele ka hammai maro o tai